Meaning of expected.
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 Expected. Expected refers to something that is anticipated or predicted to happen or exist. It is a term used to denote an estimated outcome based on past experience, statistical analysis, or other relevant factors. The term can be used in a variety of contexts such as expectations for future earnings, anticipated weather conditions, projected sales figures, or estimated delivery times. In essence, expected represents a calculated outcome that is subject to change based on unforeseen circumstances or other factors outside of one's control.